Oh, I guess up here it just dead ends. So we're at the Maple Springs Overlook. And this is at the end of Santeetlah Road. This looks like it's been like newly done. I wonder what those red berry things are. Yeah. Oh, they even give you benches. Nice. How cool is this?
I feel like I can just sit on the thing.
Oh, just like on the deck?
Yeah. Just so new.
Yeah.
It's like not even put that away.
Wow.
Yeah, and for how accessible it is, I'm surprised it's not
Like marked
tagged
and
more.
most people's been up here cleaning it. Because it looks like there's been some like red.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just like a short, like 10th of a mile walk out here. So we're just gonna like chill out and enjoy just the view. I think I'm gonna run back and get my Nemo switchback pad.
Okay.
You want me to bring you my yoga mat or anything?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think. I don't really know.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of hard to tell just how fast it's moving. But I will say, like, I think all total, probably this little loop's like maybe a quarter mile. But I did go out to the observation deck and back to get the mats and then return. And then, so, I mean, I think I'm gonna end up with like just under half a mile. So, pretty short. Short and sweet. Alright, so we're at some sort of like boating access or something, or river access. Just below Cheoah Dam. It's off Cheoah Road, I believe. We're hoping to go straight and walk toward the dam. Really don't know if we're actually able to do that, but we're gonna walk the ramp down to the river. So it's the Cheoah River Put-In. Oh, yeah. So they're fixing to do like a $10 rate per person for access. Oh, it's Alcoa. That's who. It's not TBA.
Yeah.
So it's like
Brookfield now?
Oh, it's like Cheoah, Santeetlah, Calderwood, and then Cheoah. They powered the operation and expansion of Alcoa's smelting. Oh, it was like an aluminum thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But now.
Really high, it seems like. They don't say anything about no trespassing.
Going after this. I don't know.
So I may go back up and see if I can. Man, that'd be cool if we could like go just a little further. But I want to see if I can fly the drone. So my watch didn't track on the way in. I forgot to start it, so I'm tracking it on the way back. But I was able to fly the drone, so hopefully y'all like the footage. It was definitely cool to actually see it like dumping out, you know, releasing the water. But I will say there's a lot of poison ivy, so just like be aware of that. But, and it is very open walking up here. So from the gate to this like boat ramp thing, parking area is 0.22. So probably round trip is just under half a mile. Now we will just go down and check out the river. I don't know, I'm feeling good. I kind of just want to go back to the campsite, to be honest. I think.
I can be down with that. What time is it? It's like 3 o'clock?
It's like 3:30.
Yeah.
All total, one way coming from the dam back up here, down to the boat ramp, up to here is 0.37. So yeah, it's probably about, if you do like out and back and stuff, it's probably about 0.5-ish. But it's definitely cool to see. Anyway, we'll head back to camp and try to de-poison ourselves because we have walked through some poison today. But we'll show y'all everything.